Hey everyone, welcome to the second part of how to protect your Tesla Model Y. In the first part, I went over the three-step process that I'll apply to the car to ensure protection and worry-free usage. In the second part, I'm going to talk about paint protection film and more specifically identifying the areas where it's needed, sourcing, brands I used, and installing procedure. When looking at the front of the car, it's pretty easy to call out the front bumper as the main impact area of road debris. The lack of a large front grille on EVs makes this flat surface very prone to paint damage. Applying paint protected film to the front bumper is my top recommendation, having the most return on your investment. Teslas have a paint more on the softer side, so the next area that would need attention after the front bumper are the rocker panels. The area that I'm talking about starts at the front fender and goes all the way back, including the rear passenger door and even part of the rear bumper. The kit that I installed didn't have the film for the rear bumper, but more on that later. Okay, so let's say you have the front bumper and rocker panels covered with paint protected film, but you want to go even further. The next step would be a partial front coverage, which includes headlights, partial hood, and partial fender. I don't see many partial front installs because there is a visible line from the paint protection film that runs across the hood and fenders. The alternative is to go full front coverage, but the cost difference is quite significant. Besides the front bumper, a full front protection consists of headlights, mirror caps, full hood, and full fender. You can pick and choose which panel you want to protect, but I highly recommend doing at least the front bumper. My Model Y has full front rocker panels and top rear bumper covered in two types of protected film. On the rocker panels, it has Xpel Ultimate and the rest is covered with Suntek Ultra. Both have good protection, are self-healing, but in my DIY experience, installing Suntek Ultra was easiest and has also a hydrophobic layer on top of it. All kits used were pre-cut for this specific model and can be found online for purchase. Going the DIY route is typically 1/3 of a professional detailer cost, but it comes with a significant time investment and it requires a lot of patience from your part. Prepare one spray bottle with distilled water and add a few drops of baby shampoo for general installation, and another bottle with half distilled water, half alcohol to pin down any tricky spots. Use the water alcohol mixture with caution and only when necessary, as it bonds the film to the panel pretty well. I've included sample clips at the end of the video with the install process, and if you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
it.